Get ready for a captivating journey through time and imagination. The release of SCO Poetic Saga is a game-changer, blending AI and poetry to showcase the SCO's spirit of unity. Xinhuanet has unveiled an extraordinary AI-generated video ahead of the SCO Summit 2025, titled SCO Poetic Saga. This creative masterpiece seamlessly weaves together classical poetry and modern visuals, offering a unique perspective on the SCO's core values of unity, cooperation, and shared development. The video is a celebration of cultural diversity, featuring renowned poets from SCO countries, from the Chinese poet Zhang Ji to the Russian literary giant Alexander Pushkin and the Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore. Their verses come alive through AI-driven recreations. The visuals are nothing short of breathtaking. Camel bells transform into the flowing landscapes of the Silk Road. A rainbow connects east and west, and freight trains conquer deserts and mountains. It's an immersive experience that leaves you in awe, structured into 3 captivating parts: Silk Road harmony, hearts interlinked, and shared prosperity. The video showcases how ancient wisdom guides contemporary cooperation. Camel caravans and rainbow bridges symbolize the SCO's commitment to trade and connectivity. New transport corridors, energy projects, and cultural exchanges are showcased, highlighting the organization's remarkable achievements. Using poetry and AI as its powerful tools, the video sends a clear message. The SCO is a community of shared journeys, a vision of common prosperity that transcends time and space. It's a unique and inspiring take on the SCO's mission. But here's where it gets controversial. Some may argue that AI-generated content lacks the soul of human creativity. What do you think? Is this video a brilliant fusion of technology and art, or does it miss the mark? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this innovative approach to storytelling.